Hey guys, this is Josh Y2K2000, and today I'm going to react is you know why I'm acting like that? Because I'm reacting to asdfmovie10 because it's new and I'm still waiting for that. And like, darn, I don't know it's continuing this. Like, it's kind of messed up. I thought it's like a little over. I have no idea it's still continuing. So yeah, and now I'm going to react as I'm at asdfmovie10. Can't believe it. A little excited, by the way. So, let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, play.
No! Don't jump!
Don't jump!
Okay, now jump!
Oh, come on! Okay, what the hell?
You want a piece of me? Yeah? Well, here you go then. Thanks.
Oh my
Kids, who's ready to
god.
draw? Okay then, draw.
What the Oh, good job. Bad shot. Oh
What
my.
time is it?
What
It's
the frick?
medication time.
What?
This is better.
So this is how it...
Chase me, Susie. Chase
I'm
me.
confused. You planned this?
Hey, I'm not like other girls. I have snake arms.
Ew, don't
I'm sorry,
think
John,
about
but
it.
I'm going to have to let you go.
No, please. No!
For real?
Is this you? Yes. Hello.
Whoa.
Hi.
You really have to...
Here comes that transgender guy. I like trains.
Yep, getting old.
Your wish is granted.
Is that Genie?
Beep,
What the
beep,
frick?
I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep.
Hmm.
You know what I
Oh.
hate? Child murderers. Oh no, here comes one
That's
now.
bad.
I'm gonna get ya.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Stupid. Wow. That sounds
My
catchy.
beautiful baby, this is the happiest day of my life.
If you're happy and you know it, clap
Shut
your
up.
hands.
Dude!
Have you seen my lemons?
Stop. Frick?
Oh, my lemons.
That's weird.
Fat anymore.
Aww. Now you're gonna eat the gun? How are you gonna eat the gun?
No!
Really? A cow? Okay.
If you like Aston Movie, you should probably buy an Aston Movie t-shirt. I promise I won't spend your money on
Is there gonna be a continue? Like, is it
spend it on food.
Oh my god. Wow. Yep. That's the ASDF I know. That's him. Same thing as last, like 9. Wow. That was pretty hilarious. But some of these are dumb or some of these are stupid, but it's pretty funny. Oh my god. Well, you had to do something else. Alright, now I think there's the next video I'm going to react is Beep Beep I'm a Sheep. Featured by Tom Scott and Black Griff 0N. I don't know how to spell that, so yeah, and we'll see that music. I think it's another music video of Tom Scott, so like last time I react is I like trains. I like trains, Mine Turtle, Everyone to Do the Flop, and it's Muffin Time. And I think it's Beep Beep I'm a Sheep next. I hope. Alright, now let's get this video in 3, 2, 1, play. That's catchy. Wow.
Now some of you might be
Is that Tom Scott?
simply does want to beat people like a sheep.
Beep Beep. Wow.
Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on
Really? Wow. Oh, frick. Jesus. Whoa, whoa. So this is a song about sheep saying beep beep. Sorry, my hair is bothering. I don't know what the heck. Okay. I like that. I like that sheep with that sunglasses. I like that. She's cool. This is like better than the last 3 songs, of course.
Is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side.
Okay, that's a wonderful sense what he does. How did he do that? How did Trunks made this?
Down there like a cow.
Jesus. A cow? Who put the cow on the sheep's fur? So, is this Black Rain who makes that thing voice on there? Meow on the cow. Wow. Again, more catchy. Wow. Dude, this is awesome. I love it. This is cool. Thank you for the sheep. Wow. That was awesome. I like it. Really catchy and musical. And I like that sheep who's his sunglasses. He's really cool. Yeah. And I think that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Subscribe to me and peace off.